Zachary Fruhling, aka Cozy Azeroth here. I am working my way through an old TI-99 4A programming book, 101 Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A Home Computer by Len Turner. I'm up to program number 86, Giant Clock Exercise. I'm going to read the very brief program description, get into TI Basic and the Classic 99 emulator, which emulates a TI-99 4A on a modern PC. Type the program in, run it, see what we can learn from it, and see what we can make it do. Okay, number 86, Giant Clock Exercise. The very brief program description says, more round graphics on your rectangular picture tube. And it's a very short program, so we will not belabor typing this in, but let's get over to Classic 99, a wonderful TI-99 4A emulator. I recommend it highly. Press any key to begin, press 1 for TI Basic, and let's get typing. 10, call clear. Clears the screen. 20 for n equals 1 to 12. n equals 1 to 12. So we've got a for next loop that's going to run 12 times. 30, if n is greater than 3, if n is greater than 3, then 60. 40, let's scroll a little bit here. Okay, Cx equals 49. 50. Go to 70. 60. Cx equals 32. 70. Cn equals n plus 45. 80. If Cn is less than 49, then 100. Go to line 100. 90. Go to 110. 100. Cn equals Cn plus 2. Cn equals Cn plus 2. 110. Okay, we've got quite a bit of math here, so we've got to type this carefully. R equals 12 minus, okay, parenthesis, 10 times sine. 10 times the sine. Finally get a little trigonometry here. Sine of n divided by 6 times 3.14. 6 times 3.14. Abbreviated version of pi there, and we've got 2 end parentheses right there. Let's just double check that. So 12 minus 10 times sine, parenthesis, n divided by 6 times 3.14. Looks good. Okay, 120, I think we have something similar here. C equals, I guess it's 16 minus 10 times cosine of same thing, n divided by 6 times 3.14. Boom, boom. Let's just take another look at it. C equals 16 minus 10 times cosine, parentheses, n divided by 6 times 3.14. Looks good. Okay, 130, call HCHAR. R, comma, C minus 1. Cx, I think I saw. Cx, yes. So this is a clever program. I mean, someone really had to work on a good way to make this one work. Some of these programs in this book are a little obvious in terms of how they work. This one is not as obvious unless you're really familiar with the math, which it used to be. It's been a long time. R, comma C, comma CN. Looks good. 50. Next N. And 160, go to 160. All that does is keep the image on the screen. So we're going to draw an image and then freeze it on the screen. Let's clear the screen before we run the program, list it out. We're looking for any obvious typos, math errors, syntax errors, anything of the sort. At a glance, it looks pretty good. Let's go ahead and run it and see how we did. Here we go. We get a little clock face on the screen. Check it out. That's cute. That's all this does. Let's generate a clock face. There you go. Take a look at that there, my love.
That's awesome.
It's amazing what you can do in not too many lines of code in these old computer systems, actually. Yeah, it's pretty cute, actually. Anyways, there you go. That is what is it? Was it giant clock exercise? Is that what it said? Giant clock exercise from 101 Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A home computer by Len Turner. If you happen to be watching this after the fact on my YouTube channel, be sure to check out the rest of my YouTube channel. You can find it under Cozy Azeroth, which is a little nod to my favorite game, World of Warcraft, or my real name, Zachary Fruhling, for lots of TI-99 4A content, retro programming, retro gaming, lots of World of Warcraft live streaming, and miscellaneous educational videos on a wide variety of topics of interest to me, both professionally and personally. And if you happen to be watching this live on Twitch, same thing, check out my YouTube channel for all the above. And if you're watching this on YouTube, I'd appreciate you checking out my Twitch channel as well under Cozy Azeroth for live streams on all the above topics. And if you happen to catch me live streaming, say hi in the chat and or participate in any way you see fit while I'm typing in these retro programs. In any case, I appreciate the enthusiasm for these retro programming exercises and the likes and the follows and especially the subscriptions, which do help me out greatly in these challenging times. Thank you very much, and I'll be back soon with the next program in this book, which is, I'm going to peek ahead, Aztec art. So stay tuned for whatever Aztec art is. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.